Kill him.
Get the green. Oof.
I'm terrible. I'm terrible.
You're terrible? No.
I'd have to edit that out.
Edit it out. Little tip for you guys. If you buy an SBE 3 Benelli, aim about 6 inches low. This is absurd.
Thanks, Will.
Thanks, Will. You're coming in hot. Oh my gosh, dude. That's funny. You want it? Oh my gosh, wreck him. Right where we wanted him, didn't go. 20 ducks in the air. Oh my god. That was awesome. I know, spotlight solos suck. This is awesome. This is the coolest thing ever. Oh my gosh. You don't get this fun very often. Oh baby. Got our setup out here. We got a kill hole here, a little thick patch there, land there. Layout blinds, snow covers. Yeah baby. Yeah baby, yeah baby. Hop in, they're coming early.
What's up, Cole?
Hey, what's up? Thanks, man.
No problem.
No, hell, dude, they're freaking, yeah, they're good. Love you. Thank you.
Not a bad scout
Yeah,
job,
thank
eh?
you. Yeah, good scout job, bro.
Yeah.
That's why I hired you, so I pay you the big bucks.
Yeah. Anyways, you got ducks coming back.
Okay, let's go. Guns are in there, 2 shell, 2 boxes on the right. Get in quick, we'll shoot some greenheads, y'all.
Ducks coming, guys. Quit playing with your pecker.
Here we go on the left, y'all.
Oh, ducks.
Get ready, guys.
Take a bird out and kill them, boys. Have fun. Shoot ducks. Kill them all. Yep, gotta put a shell in the chamber. Oh, there we go.
Nice shot. Good shooting, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. That's awesome. I freaking love this.
Oh boy, big wad.
Oh, big on.
wad,
Oh my
big
gosh.
Trouble. Kill him.
Kill him, guys. Kill him.
Kill him.
Down low. Down low.
Low one, guys. Low one. There was 30 on the ground. Watch out. That was filthy. Welcome to Alberta.
Oh
Try to
man.
get them closer next time.
They weren't close enough. Darn!
Oh gosh, get ready, guys. Get ready.
Shoot them, guys.
Kill them birds. Kill them, boys. Kill them.
Up top. There you go.
I love the snow.
Visibility is low.
Are ignorant.
Ducks are decoying.
Ignorant.
This is fun.
Watch out.
This is what y'all dreamed of, y'all. You'll take advantage of it now. Take advantage of
Take
it.
your time, guys. Just remember, it's not a race.
Not a race. Pick them out, shoot them.
When they're coming in like that, you just cover them up and pull the trigger and they go poof. Have fun, have fun, have fun. I mean, shoot. Good shot.
Get the goose.
Get the goose in the decoys. Woo!
Nope. There we go.
Hell yeah. What?
Y'all better be having fun down there.
I'm not hearing enough laughing.
I'm not either. Y'all aren't cheering at all. No cheering down there. They don't get much better than this. Don't get much better.
Just like you shoot them, they fly 500 yards and they turn around and come right back.
Here we go, here we go. Kill all of them.
Shoot that one. Woo! Yeah! Susie's dead! Oh, shot over the top.
Boys. Barrels are hot. Barrels are hot.
Wearing them out, boys!
We're wearing them out. We wearing them out. That is awesome. Good deal. Rolling Thunder honker call. Y'all been asking about it? Here we go. Lesser call, sweet too. The old lesser call. And we got the old cut down.
We got the old shot special.
Oh, that's custom.
You can't get that.
You can't get that. Sorry about you. Take them, y'all.
Shoot them, boys. Shoot them, shoot them.
Nice shooting, guys. Nice shooting.
Good shooting, guys.
Clean them up. Oh my gosh.
Oh my lord. That is one dumb goose.
He's at 8 yards.
Yeah, we're just gonna play with that.
Look at that.
Oh my lord. It's like, why aren't my friends moving?
I want to shoot that thing.
I'm gonna shoot him. Go right ahead.
Shoot him.
Shoot him.
Shoot him.
There.
Yeah!
Oh.
Oh, baby curls, baby curls. We got the curls, baby. Dude, greenheads are everywhere. Oh, God.
Oh lordy.
Holy crap. This is so awesome. Take him out front.
Shoot him, guys. Shoot him. Low ones, low ones.
Lower.
Low ones, guys. Low ones.
Want to shoot them?
Oh, these might come back.
Here we go. 10 freaking yards. On the right. Yeah.
Shoot them on the ground, guys. Shoot them on the ground.
Shoot him! On the right! On the right! Guys, look around. Nice shot.
That was pretty.
Yeah.
That was
That
awesome.
was pretty.
Landing, baby. Landing gear set. The old landing gear set, baby.
Kill them, guys.
Get the geese.
Geese, guys, geese.
Out front, guys. Shoot them. Out front. Out front. Good shooting. Good shooting, guys. Good job.
Shoot one apiece. One bird apiece.
Good job. Ducks, ducks, ducks.
Shoot him, guys.
Shoot him out front. Get a goose. Shoot the goose. Everyone shoot. Kill it. There we go. Woo! We got one. Fourth try's the charm, baby. Oh, epic morning out here. Epic morning. We're wide out. We're wide out. We got birds. We got stuffers everywhere out here, boy. Yeah, got the old sleeper shells out here. Got the dive bomb fully flocked doing their thing. You know what I'm saying? We're mixing. We're mixing. You already know. We're done on geese.
Oh, that's like a freaking donkey out there.
That is a donkey. We're gonna go get him. We're gonna go get him. We're done on geese. Woo-wee. Have about 5 more ducks to go. Man, this is awesome. Look at this weather out here. This is freaking sweet. Woo! Freaking sweet. Wide it out, baby. Check out the old setup. There's a kill hole, kill hole, kill hole. Wee. Run it out there. Blinds are in the back. They come and floating in here, baby. That is so freaking gorgeous.
Isn't it awesome?
That is fantastic.
Is it loaded?
I don't know.
Oh gosh, ducks.
Here comes ducks. Kill them.
I know Matt, y'all the only two shots.
Y'all did good.
Woo. Oh my lantern. I should probably clean my windshield off before driving, but this is freaking insane. Holy moly. It's a winter wonderland, baby. Gosh, that's what I look forward to every year. And I'm just loving it. I am just loving it. Picking up the decoys and all that real fast got me all sweating. I got hair everywhere. Jacket's soaked. Gonna try to make it home. I'm pulling a trailer, so let's just hope we make it home all right. Okay? Wish me luck. Oh, gosh. This morning was absolutely insane. Shot ducks in the face, shot geese in the face. Guys weren't hitting some that I wanted them to hit. I hope you don't get mad at me and hear that in the videos, me getting a little frustrated, but I just wish I had a gun. I look forward to snow hunts every year. That's all it is. Greenheads need to get popped. They just decoy so well. When there's a little snow coming and it's in their eyeballs and they're coming in, they act like they have no idea what they're doing. So it's freaking awesome. I just wish I was able to shoot. But we're gonna get a hunt in, inviting everybody. And y'all need to stay tuned for that one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button. Thank you guys for watching. Share with your friends. And we'll catch you guys next time.